If you're waking up groggy, crashing mid-afternoon, or wondering where your drive went, there's a reason. It's not laziness, it's not lack of discipline. More often than not, it's your hormones. Low testosterone is more common than ever, and it doesn't just affect your energy. It chips away at your clarity, your strength, your mood, and your ability to show up fully. My name is Evan Fox. I'm the founder of Men's Health Co. I've spent over a decade caring for patients in the ICU and other end-of-life settings. And what I saw over and over again was men showing up too late for their own lives. They push through, they prioritize others, and eventually they start to break down quietly. By the time they ask for help, they're told that they're fine, that their levels are normal, that it's just part of getting older. But that's not the whole truth. The men we work with here at Men's Health Co., they don't want to be fine. They want to rebuild their strength. They want to be present. They want to reclaim their edge and lead with purpose in every area of their life. And they don't have time to waste. So here's how it works. We email you a lab slip, you walk into any lab core and you get your blood drawn. Once your results are back, you'll meet with a hormone expert, either in person or virtually, depending on what's most convenient for you. No waiting rooms, no gatekeeping. Our clients don't want cookie cutter protocols, they want results. That's why we tailor everything from pharmaceuticals, peptides, training and nutrition, sleep, to one thing, and that's you. This isn't about testosterone only. This is about restoring your clarity, your capacity, and your confidence. We don't optimize for averages, we optimize for outcomes. Imagine waking up clear-headed, strong, and fully locked in, ready to lead your life again. That's what we help unlock. We deliver hormone optimization with speed, precision, and a concierge-level experience built around your lifestyle. This is built for one thing: results. If you're ready to take the next step, just visit our website to schedule your consultation, or better yet, shoot us a text and we'll handle the rest. No waiting rooms, no guesswork, just results. We'll talk to you soon.